Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a quick project share, and this project is using some items that is in my shop. Okay, so for those of you who is not aware, I do have a website. It is happycraftershop.com, and I will have it linked in the description box. But I was playing around. I said, well, I want to make some projects. So what I did is in my shop, I have these uh, Puffy Hearts, and I have them in red and pink. Okay, and you get those together, and I believe you get 4 of each one. So I think it's 8 in a pack. So you get 4 pink and 4 red. So I had these little what do you call these little flatback cabochons, and then I had these little bows. So I just, you know, did some cute little embellishments. So these are ready for me to just, stick on a project, ever how I want to use them, or I can just, throw them in something like that. And then with the hearts, what I did was I made this little dangle with the Puffy Hearts. And what I did is I just backed them, and I just got a hearts out of my die. I just die cut a heart that it would fit like in there like this, and this is foam. So what I did is I sandwiched that piece of foam between the 2 hearts, and I'll show you how I did that. Let me get 2 hearts out here. I'll get the pink since this is the red. So this is the little piece of foam. You don't have to die cut. You could like just hand cut a little heart. So what I did is I just put that on there like that, and then I just took some hot glue and went all the way around, and then I sandwiched, and I just held it down because that hot glue is going to glue to this fabric, and I just pressed it all the way around. And then what it did is it made it a little more puffy, but it's kind of like a harder puffy, if that makes sense. So sturdy. Sturdy is the word. So I've got these in the shop, and also these pink hearts is in the shop. I think the single packs sold out, but I do have some kits that these heart beads are in. And look how big and chunky they are. Really nice. So I just took my chain and I ran it through there and put the lobster clasp, and then I just had some chain here, and I put these cute little charms, that's in my stash, and hung those on there. So now I got me a little dangle piece ready to stick on a project. So I did that one, and then I had to do a red one right here. Now this little fuzzy flocked bead here, these beads are in a kit that's in my shop. So I just did the same thing, and I put little hearts with this little key. And my keys, the keys was in the shop, but they may be sold out. But that is so cute, and it is ready to just stick on a project. Now these beads right here, the hole is big enough that my chain went through it. So that is so cute. So I love the little dangles that I have just ready to go on a project. So that is just a few things that is in my shop. I'm going to try to come on with more project shares of items that, I have in the shop. And I thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.